If you're a boat driver in Uyo, how many of you notice a boat has reduced price by 50 naira? You don't notice that? Say boat has reduced price by 50 naira. But guess what happened? Drivers' percentage still remain there. I don't tell you this thing before. These people use drivers like as 10, 11 spinner. But some of you will come to us, especially those passengers, say, what is 15 naira? So because of 15 naira, that is the reason why I'm making this video. No. I'm talking about drivers' percentage. Anytime where they reduce price, may they reduce percentage for drivers. Because now fuel way drivers they use drive go there. After vacancy, you go maintain whether na keke or motorway they drive. But they reduce price, which is affordable for passengers, no problem. May they also reduce percentage for drivers. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk.